what's up guys, it's Eli here, and I haven't vlogged in a while, and just a few weeks. You haven't seen a vlog in the last few weeks or so. I'm gonna start getting into them again. I just got into a funk again and didn't feel like recording anything. It didn't feel like my life was that interesting to record. I got fired from my job, so I'm looking for new work and all that stuff, but gosh, it's bright out today, but it's such a nice day. Right now I'm headed out to eat with my dad, and then I have a counseling appointment at 1. It's about 12:25 right now, so grab a bite to eat real quick and then head over there. It's just a few blocks away. So yeah, just a little quick update and stuff about my life. And I applied for college. I have at the community college. I start spring term, which starts in April. I'm starting streaming again on Twitch. Follow me right here, right down there on Twitch. I'm also making layouts for Twitch streamers and stuff, so if you want a cool layout and stuff, I have all that info on my Twitch account. Just hit me up and I can make one for you. I enjoy doing it. It's fun to do. Probably gonna start charging for them though, maybe around $10 or so, because your boy needs some money and I enjoy doing that and I'm good at it. So I just went to the bank right there and deposited a check, and my dad and I are now gonna go over to McDonald's and get something to eat. So he's right here.
I need to wear my nicest clothes when I go to the park because I'm impulsive. And you know what a skate park is? I just went as fast as I could off the edge of the thing and went straight down the hill, you know? And then the whole down the hill was muddy. And it's fucking awesome, dude, because like this.
Your face.
I flew, dude. And then when I hit the mud at the bottom, I went like this.
Yeah, look at your bike.
But listen, when I was going fast, I hit the mud at the bottom like this. It was so cool. Oh, do you need to get the tank room too?
Yeah, I do, but I'm just gonna wait until I can buy it myself.
Why?
So I know I have the right tank for my vape. Because I don't have it with me right now, so I can't test it.
Yeah. Well, I know that if you end up selling the ones he's got, he'll probably give you one.
Mm-hmm.
If he's got the right one, you know what I mean?
When I get my new one though, I'll be selling my old one for $50. It's thunder and lightning right now. You can't really see much right now, but just wait. The sky will light up. Whoa, like that. There it is. The rain is picking up too. Kind of seeing that light right there, how hard it's raining. It's hailing. Hailing and raining. And I'm all in shorts and my raincoat and stuff, so I'm not gonna go out there. But come on, where's the lightning? Flash, flash. Whoa, that was right above me. Kind of calm down for a second. Whoa, there's one. Show us the lightning. Wet. It's raining pretty hard. I know as soon as I turn off my camera, it's gonna do it. Come on, do it for me. Do it for me, come on. Lightning. Well, that seems to be it for right now, so maybe I'll get some from the back window.